Hi, I have a Honeywell HZ322 that has been working fine. Yesterday it went off, no lights of power. Later in the day it seemed to turn itself back on, then again, later in the day, turned itself off, no apparent power on the panel. Keeps doing this, any ideas? I installed Nest thermostats about 2 months back, which seem to be working fine. They are reporting no power when this happens.
Hello, there are a number of potential causes. One likely cause would be a safety overflow switch attached to the condensate drain pan of your AC system, and wired to kill power from the 24-volt transformer. If the drain is still passing a little water, and is only partially clogged, then the float would rise and shut the power off from the transformer, and as the water slowly drained from the condensate drain pan, the float would fall, closing its switch and restoring power to the AC controls and thermostat. Look into that first, we can go from there as needed.
Okay, thanks, we'll check when I get home from work.
Great, I am in until 9 p.m. West Coast USA time.
Hey Phil, I have Lennox Elite CBX27 and it does look like it is leaking around the base. The floor is wet. However, I don't see anything like a drip tray and the unit looks sealed.
Hello again, the drip tray is inside the cooling coil cabinet, 20 inches x 20 by 20 approx. Slime and debris build up in the drip tray and it overflows onto the floor. You can locate the white plastic PVC drain line, and the 2 copper tubes that go into the box, then remove the 20 inches by 20 inches approx. Cover to access the drain pan. It's time to locate the finish and rate link. That is the only way the company pays me for my time. In exchange I will hold the question open for unlimited follow-up. Thanks.
I see the pipes, but the unit is completely sealed, glued.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.